In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit Solana into Axiom Pro from an external wallet. This is the preferred method. This is what I do. So here's how you do it. If you need an account on Axiom Pro, there will be a link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up and it will save you 10% of trading fees. So once you've opened up Axiom and you've logged in, make sure that you're on Solana here. Then click on deposit in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that and you're on the deposit window, you can then deposit Solana. So it will give you a QR code and also a deposit address. This will be your Solana address, which you can go ahead and copy by clicking on this button. Now you need to open up your external wallet. Now you may have this installed as a browser extension like Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet. You may have the wallet on your phone. Either way, go ahead and open up that wallet. So I've opened up Trust Wallet, and what I'm going to do is click on Solana, then we'll click send. And we can then paste in this address here that we've got from Axiom. Then we can choose, or type rather, the amount of Solana we want to send. So I'm just going to send 0.12 Solana, so most of it out of my balance. Then we'll click on preview. We'll get a preview of this transaction. Here is the total in USD, including the network fee. We can then click confirm, and that has been sent now. Now, once you've sent the Solana, if you refresh Axiom, you should see it update. And as you can see here, we've got the Solana in Axiom. And now we can start to trade meme coins. So that is how you do it.